Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Lee. A new year is a powerful thing. It's a clean slate, a reset button for your health, your habits, and your heart. But if you've been dealing with atrial fibrillation, high blood pressure, or fatigue, that may make you wonder, is this the year I finally get my heart and my life back in rhythm? My answer is yes, it can be. Every year, millions of people make resolutions to eat better, lose weight, and exercise more. But in February, most people unfortunately have given up. It's not because they don't care, but because they're trying to fix their body without understanding their heart. See, your heart is more than a muscle. It's an emotional, electrical, and biological engine that runs your life. When it's out of rhythm, so is everything else. Your sleep, your focus, your joy, your energy. Here's the usual situation. You wake up already stressed, scrolling emails, rushing through breakfast, caffeine in hand, and wonder why your heart feels tired by 9 in the morning. You're not lazy, you're overloaded. Next, you skip a workout. You grab takeout, or you have one too many drinks. Then you think, I'll start over Monday. But Monday turns into next month, and the heart doesn't wait. Every delay is another day of strain, pressure, and inflammation. And then, maybe your AFib has scared you. Maybe a family member had a heart attack. You're tired of the anxiety, the uncertainty, the what ifs. And deep down you're thinking, I just want my life back. Here's the truth. You don't need perfection this year. You need rhythm. Eat real food. Fruits, vegetables, beans, fish, olive oil. That's not a diet. That's your heart's native fuel. Move your body daily. A 20-minute walk is more powerful for your rhythm than 2 hours of guilt at the gym. Sleep deeply. Your heart heals at night, if you let it. Manage your stress. A calm nervous system equals a calm heart rhythm. And then avoid alcohol and processed foods. Your heart can't thrive in chaos. Feed it peace. Now, these small steps may sound simple, but together they transform how your heart beats and how you live. So here's my challenge to you. This year, don't chase perfection. Chase rhythm. Chase routine. Chase small actions that step by step lead you to a better you. If this message inspired you, please share it with somebody you love, because heart health starts with hope. And subscribe to my channel for more videos on AFib, heart rhythm, and true heart health. And if you want more resources, go to drscottlee.com, where you can book a second opinion clarity consult. I'm Dr. Scott Lee, and together, let's make 2026 the year you get your heart and your life back in rhythm. This year, make your heart health your most important resolution. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching. For everything atrial fibrillation related, please feel free to go to my website, drscottlee.com, where you're going to find more resources and also can follow me on social media.